Said you were too tired to walk the line. I said then hold up, precious. I can be a goldsmith and you a nomad or a tailor, and we don't have to follow the rules. Oh, I can do anything when I look at you. Oh, I believe everything to be true. Oh, every little bit of my heart lights up. Oh.
Hello, welcome to this week's cozy comfy weekly vlog. I started off this morning a very sad gal. Yesterday Mitzi kind of just like health wise wasn't feeling great. I could tell because she was sleeping a lot more than usual, and then last night she started limping. The thing is with cats, you have to be really careful because they don't actually show signs of pain. I'm quite intuitive with her, so I picked up really quickly that she wasn't okay. Sorry, I've just changed positions. Anyway, I took her to the vets. The vets gave her a full-on check. She is a really healthy cat otherwise. Great teeth, great heart, great weight, great fur. Everything's good. But her toe, yes. He pulled back the fur on her toe and it was like kind of red raw, and they basically think she's either been in a little bit of a tiff with another cat. I don't think she has because she actually doesn't really wander from my garden at all. Or some kind of animal. I do have pheasants that come in my garden quite often, and I don't know if she's been pecked by a pheasant on the toe. It's totally possible, knowing my cat. It's either that or she's got it caught, and she did climb to the very top of a very tall tree in my garden last weekend. I'm wondering if she like was holding onto a branch so tight that her claw got aggravated by it, or like a splinter got in her claw when she was... Anyway, she's safe, she's happy, she's all good. The vet said she is all good. But we've got some anti-inflammatories for her, and she had a long-lasting antibiotic injection. She's great, she's all healthy, I feel good, I feel like a new woman. Honestly, I really didn't sleep last night because if anyone, like, I can't even explain this to you enough. My cats are my world. They are my babies. They are my entire heart. I'm so glad she's good. I'm like so glad. But she's been resting up. I'll show you her in a minute. She's been resting up so well. Yeah, we've had a few ups and downs the last few weeks. I am actually feeling really good. I'm on a new like self-care plan because basically I feel like I've had like so much go on in the last year and a half that my body just kind of like gave up over Christmas, and I was getting really unwell and I couldn't really sleep because like my stress hormones were too much, and that is actually really unhealthy, and also it like impacted with my lady times each month. Actual aim of mine that I'm going to get myself back into a really healthy place. Like I'm back exercising all the time, eating really good feel good food, laughing more, trying to put my phone down earlier in the day, just stuff like that. Meditating, so I've subscribed to Calm, the Calm app, and honestly it makes such a difference. I'm back at yoga, and I just feel like over the last month-ish that I've put all this into practice to look after myself. So that's what I'm kind of doing. I'm going to have like a really nice self-care bath tonight. I went to Uniqlo yesterday on a Sunday and I bought this jacket cardigan thing, and it's made out of like ethical wool, and I really flipping love it. Like Uniqlo I'd never heard of. Lawrence introduced me to Uniqlo, and also I bought some PJs from there. Got these and a top, and they're really nice PJs, but they have a really good sale on at the moment, so if you did want to check Uniqlo out, go on their app. Look how cozy it is. I feel like it'll be a really good transitional piece. Anyway, how are you guys? Please let me know down below. This week I'm posting out the winners of my first week little secret giveaway, so I'm really excited about that. Anyway, I've got some work to do. Lawrence is due home soon, which is great because I love it when he comes home when the sun is still up. Just feels good. So Lawrence is due home soon, so we've got a bit of filming to do together, and then we're gonna have a cozy evening, and then we're going to we bought some donuts at Krispy Kreme, so we're going to try some donuts. Here's the little brave girl. There she is, my little darling. She's actually on the sick duvet. So Lawrence and I have this duvet that when we're unwell we bring it down to the sofa and we sleep on the sofa with it during the day. And Mitsey is taking full advantage of the sick sofa. Okay. Okay, I have finished work for the day. Lawrence is obviously home, he's chassaying in the kitchen. Yeah, and I'm about to run my bath now. I'm actually really excited. I can't wait for the nights to not be dark from 4 PM onwards. Just really excited about that fact.
I want someone like you to stand by me always. And I dream of a man like you, warm and tender every single day. What if we would join our forces? What a bliss. You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest. Time flies, yet there's butterflies in my palms and in my eyes. Now echoes from the other night, gossip about our delight. What if we would join our forces? What a bliss. You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life.
Hello.
Okay.
Okay,
What have we
so
got?
we've got your one, which is peanut butter. I picked the Biscoff biscuit because that's my favourite. And what was this?
Apple crumble.
Apple cheesecake crumble.
Apple. It's just apple crumble.
Is it?
Yeah, it's apple crumble, but like the filling is like sour apple,
And it's got also
but it's
loads
like
of
got that
icing.
super sweet top on it. It's gonna be amazing.
Ah. Should definitely get a job there. The problem is the hat doesn't actually fit over my massive hair. You have to microwave your donuts. Top tip. I feel like everyone knows the Lotus Biscoff one, and the peanut butter one is remarkable.
The best.
So let's actually give the apple one a taste test, because I think this is, I've not heard of this.
There's some serious ASMR stuff going on.
Yeah, I might have to mute that. It's just really sweet, like,
Oh wow,
how sweet is it?
that's super good. That is it. Krispy Kreme collaborated with McDonald's apple pie.
I knew you were going to say that.
It's so good. It's really good. It's actually better than apple pie from McDonald's.
Yeah, 100%.
It's actually really good.
It's
Love that.
delish.
Love it.
Yeah, I recommend that. You can actually finish that because I want to eat my one. The Lotus Biscoff.
Biscoff.
Good.
Mm.
You just can't beat Krispy Kreme, in my opinion. Can you?
No. I'll tell you what though, this peanut butter one, they used to do it and it used to actually be peanut butter in the middle. Now it's like a peanut butter cream, so it's lighter.
Yeah, it's like fluffy. I know exactly what, it's like marshmallowy.
It is.
Okay, let's eat our donuts. Now the next day, as you can see, I'm in the front room. We've still got the sickly duvet on the sofa, all for Mitzi. She's currently eating at the moment on the stairs. She likes to have her lunch on the stairs for some reason. So she's eating, but she's doing good. She's still hopping, which is really sad. But she's had her painkiller. She takes it so well. Lips are really crusty. I need to find my stuff. But anyway, she's doing good. I'm just having a quick tidy up around the house because we're off out tonight. cute little date night for me and the old Lozza. I bought him tickets to go see Matthew Bourne's The Red Shoes. It's the ballet, but if you've seen anything from Matthew Bourne, you'll know he's like really unique and different. But we love the theatre and we love dance. Obviously, I have a history of ballet dancing. I can't wait for little date nights. Really excited. I can't wait for little date nights. Really excited. Just had a delivery from Urban Outfitters. I ordered some stuff from their sale and I'm going to show you now because flipping heck, I'm excited. First things first, from the sale, I purchased some earrings. Now I love these, like little gold dangly earrings, and they're kind of 70s inspired, and they've got like little tiny flower prints. I just think they're going to be so perfect for spring and summer. This book is called How to Find Calm, and I've seen a few pages inside it, and basically every page is like beautifully illustrated and it's got loads of like tips and tricks how to find instant calmness. I do struggle a bit, like internally. I need to just grab some tips every now and then. I just thought this would be a really nice book, and I might have this by the front door, so if anybody wants to come in and have a little read of a calm book, they're blooming well can. I got this Honeycomb Bedding. Now this is so cute. I normally get bedding from Asda, but I thought, you know what, I really want this bedding and it's gonna go out of stock, so I'm gonna buy it. But it's a honeycomb style bedding and it's very, very colourful, very 70s inspired. It's very like what this house is about, some natural colours, lots of nature around and things like that, so I really like it. I'm gonna put it on now and just show you guys what it looks like when it's on. I just give a public service of announcement. This duvet we have, it's a duvet from Casper. It was actually gifted to me, they sent it to me. We sleep so well now because of this duvet, so if you ever are on the market for a good duvet, it's not cheap. It is not cheap. I will link it down below for you. Check it out if you do want a new duvet. It is an investment, it's a bit of like an asset. But I really think it's worth it. I genuinely have never felt such comfiness when I'm sleeping. You know, when it's like coming up to the time of the month and you're just hot all the time, especially at night for some reason, and you can't sleep. Like, this actually cools me down, and then when I'm too cold, which is 99% of the time, it keeps me just nice and like perfectly warm. I'm not, like, they haven't even asked me to say anything, they just sent it to me out of the kindness of their hearts. I really recommend it. Honestly, really recommend it. Here it is on. I need some more cushions and a throw. I might just get like white cushions and a white throw for this, but I think it looks amazing. I'm not gonna lie, I think it looks great. I absolutely love the detail and all the different colours in the honeycomb. I want to change my house. It's very natural vibes with plants everywhere and natural looking shapes and like natural colours.
Your latest Insta.
What do you think of the new bedding?
I think it's amazing. I love it. I like the like being in a beehive.
Yeah.
But it's like kind of cozy at the same time.
I'm gonna wear my Doc Martens.
Yeah?
Yeah. Black H&M top.
Yeah.
Primark denim thing.
Yeah.
M&S tights.
And
Children's Doc Martens.
Marks and Spencer's tweed jacket. I think this was from a charity shop. These are some Levi's 511 jeans. These are so old, I cannot even remember when I got them. And some Oxblood Red, unfortunately adult size Doc Martens.
There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under those brown curls. Soon you're on your way, promise me that you know the world is yours, strike them with your glow. Go on now, be good, be fine, live your life, dream big, don't game to be kind. Live, it's your life. Rocks are meant to be picked up and thrown.